Welcome back. So far, we have covered 10 core components provided by React Native for building React Native apps. However, it's important to note that most of the time, we combine these components to create the desired user interface. In this video, we will learn how to create a simple greet custom component using the view and text core components. Let's start by creating a new folder called components. So within the project folder, create a folder called components. Within the folder, create a new file called greet.js. Inside the file, define a basic component that accepts a name prop and renders it within the JSX. So import view and text from React Native, and then export default function called greet, which accepts a prop called name. Let's destructure it and return JSX with a view component and a text component nested inside. The text is going to be hello, followed by the name that has been passed in to the component. And let me tell you, we have successfully created our first custom component in React Native, which utilizes the view and text core components. Although the styling is basic for now, it's not our current focus. Let's go back to app.js, import the newly created greet component, and use it with a name prop. Greet name is equal to Bruce Wayne. Make a copy of this and change name to Clark Kent. If we take a look at the two devices, we'll see the messages hello Bruce Wayne and hello Clark Kent. Although the component is simple at the moment, you can imagine creating reusable custom components such as custom card component, a custom button component, a custom list item component, and more. But this right here is the essence of building React Native apps, combining core components to create reusable custom components that form user interfaces. I hope this concept makes sense to you. With that, we conclude this section on core components in React Native. In the next section, we will focus on styling in React Native and explore the Style Sheet API. Thank you for watching. If you're enjoying the content, please do leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.